Hello guys, welcome back. So as we already completed our first 7 challenges, let's take up our 8th challenge now, which is make a dynamic bundle with filter rules. So once if you launch your playground, click on app launcher followed by Salesforce CPQ so that you will get this page. And now click on products. And here in recently viewed, go to all products. So here you will find 4K video camera which we have already created. Just click on it and now go to related list and now click on new next to features. Let's copy our feature name which is given right over here as storage. So copy this and paste it over here, and for minimum option we are gonna give 0, and for number give it as 20, and for option selection method give it as dynamic. So once if it is done, click on save. So now let's click on product rules followed by new. Let's copy our product rule name which is given right over here. So copy this and paste it over here. So once if it is done, choose type as filter and scope as product. Check on active. So for condition made, give it as all, and for evaluation event let's give load. So once if it is done, click on save. So now if you scroll down you will find this action. So next to action click on new. Let's copy your type. So this is a default filter, so which will be already available. So give type as default filter and now scroll down. So for this filter field we are gonna give product code, and for operation give starts with. So for filter value let's copy from here which is SD card and paste it over here. So once if it is done, click on save. And now if you scroll down you will find this configuration rule. Click on new next to it. Check this active, and for product we are gonna type video so that you will get 4K video camera. Choose it, and for product feature we are gonna give storage. So click on storage. So once if it is done, click on save. So that's all about this challenge. Let's come back and click on check challenge. So guys, here we have made one mistake. So we need to store it as storage, which was double entry right over here. To change this, go to products, choose 4K video camera and go to related list, and next to storage choose drop down followed by edit. So here you can modify this which is double entry, and now click on save. So now let's come back to product rules and choose drop down next to SD card filter. Click on edit. So guys, just close this and come back to product rules. Now just make a click on SD card filter itself. So if you are scrolling down you can see that product feature is changed over here as storage. And now let's come back and click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed all of these challenges. If you find this video useful, do subscribe to our channel. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.